Fair views.
Okay.
This
Sir,
certificate
don't
of
cry.
appreciation is
Don't
being
cry.
given to Mr. Rosalito Tapan Jr. for his excellent teaching performance for the course International Call Center Proficiency Training given this 12th day of November 2008 at Call Center Academy, Buendia, Makati City, Philippines. PGMA Scholar Batch, October 29 to November 12, 2008. Signed, Ana Ruth Mendoza, Tata Class President. We would like to give you
Sweets! 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 Sweets!
yeah. Get this!
Are you nervous?
Are you crying? Before you ask to speak, actually, I want to give you a token. Actually, it's a Medal of Excellence coming from the House of Representatives under the office of Congressman of Parañaque, of course.
Oh! Sweets! Oh, picture!
It's actually a Medal of Excellence. I will put it.
Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, summa cum laude!
Thank you.
Let's just...
And on behalf of the class, as a class president, we would like to thank you for
For everything!
for the knowledge that you have taught us and for your very, very long patience. And for the word bullshit. For the word you definitely tops change our lives from
Yeah.
now on. Because every knowledge that you have given us will definitely be one way for changing our future. So I know we will still see each other.
Yeah.
And we will never forget you.